Hi, I'm Nicky Laceby and today we are going to be making honeycomb. Now we're going to be making it on the Everhot 120i, and on the left hand side you will see it's got a hot plate, but today we're going to use the induction for this because it's summer and I have to say on my Everhot at home I have switched off my hot plate and I am just using the induction now. And also for honeycomb you can regulate the temperature a little bit better because the temperature is really important when you make honeycomb, because we've got to get it to 165 degrees. Anyway, I've chatted enough, let's go ahead and make it. So we're going to measure out the glucose, and we are going for 70 mils of glucose. Going to add 3 tablespoons of water, then 40 grams of honey. And last but no means least, we're going to pop in 200 grams of sugar, caster sugar. What we're going to do next is take it over to the induction and we're going to just put it on a rolling simmer until it gets to 165 degrees. Now then, here we go. This is where you need the patience. We want to get it to a rolling simmer and we want it to be up to 165. It takes about 10 minutes, and what you're actually looking for is for it to become a golden colour, just like honeycomb would should be. That's us. We're done. Now we've got to work really quick. So we shove the bicarbonate of soda in, give it a whisk, and as you can see, this is what happens, and then we have to pour it in really, really quickly, like so. Doesn't it look fantastic? I always love when it comes together like this. And that's it. We now just let it sit for about an hour, and hopefully we will have some lovely honeycomb. Okay, the honeycomb's cooled now, but before we smash that up, I am going to melt some chocolate on the induction hob using the simmer facility, and it's going to be put on level 1. So whack that chocolate in, and we just let that melt away nicely. Now, this is the bit I always worry about. We're going to turn this out and we're going to see if it comes out in one go. Are we ready? Nearly. There you go. Most of it. But you see, look, even I can get some stuck in the bottom, and that's when I said make sure that you butter your dish. Now I did, but it still has a tendency to stick. And all we're going to do now is just dip the honeycomb into the chocolate, cover it and pop it onto some greaseproof paper. So we shall do that. Just get a piece, pop it in, spoon some chocolate, pull it out and give it a bit of a shake. And then get all the excess off, and you're just going to pop it down onto the greaseproof paper. And it'll set, and then you can package it and you can do whatever you want with it. Give it as gifts, or like I said before, just keep it and eat it yourself.